back to my channel. This video is going to be a makeup tutorial which you can easily carry in summers when you are going to some daytime party or get together. It is very easy to create look. I've used very minimal products for that. So when you want to go out in summers, you need a makeup which is very cool toned and soothing, makes you look fresh and awake. I came up with this look. So if you want to know how to do this, then keep on watching.
I'm starting off by applying a sunscreen, which is very important for summers. It will make your makeup long lasting and protect your skin. The lip balm I've applied has also some SPF in it. Our lips also needs sun protection. Then I'm taking primer and concentrating on my T-zone area. I'll apply it all over my face. Wearing heavy foundations in summer is so uncomfortable. That's why I'm using a BB cream to give my face some coverage, and it will act as a base. Even this has some SPF in it. Then I'm applying concealer to my under eyes, lids, forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin to conceal and brighten my face up. This is a very lightweight concealer and I'm blending it all with my fingers. I'm taking compact which has SPF in it and setting all the creams in place. Setting creams with powder is very important in summers. It helps the makeup to look fresh for a long time. Now I'm filling the sparse gap in my brows using an eyebrow pencil. I'm taking this cool toned light blue shade and putting it all over my crease and the lid area. This eye look is very simple because I'm using just one shade for the entire lid. You can use more color to build the intensity. Then I'm taking this blue colored eyeliner and lining my eyes. You have to intentionally make an untidy line because we are going to smudge it, like I'm doing here, using a flat shader brush. Then I'm again lining my eyes, but this time it should be a precise liner. I'm lining my waterline halfway using the same blue liner. And smudging it also with the same brush. Using this pink color as my blush to give a fresh look. I'm not contouring or bronzing, just using the blush. Okay, now this step is totally optional, but I prefer the glow in summers. So I'm using a highlighter on my highest points of the face like cheekbones, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and chin. Then I'm highlighting my brow bone and inner corner as well. I'm not wearing any false lashes, hence I'm curling my lashes using an eyelash curler. Then I'm applying mascara to my top and bottom tinsy minzy lashes. Using this baby pink color for my lipstick, and this is the finished look. I hope you like it.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, comment below, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell too. I'll meet you next time. Bye.